guys. Okay. Yes, let's open. Ayan guys. Ayan, ang cute naman. Ayan guys. Short in the shower area. Toilet. Okay, the lock.
But this one, right?
I don't know. Habibi, can you turn on the light? So there you go guys. This is our room here in Travelodge, South Trail, located at Glenmore. Yeah, it's just within the city guys. So kung mapapadaan po kayo dito sa Calgary at wala po kayong matutuluyan, so this is a budget style hotel, like an hostel, econo hotel guys. So not bad na rin. It has a 300 deposit right there.
Yeah. 100.
100? 100. Sorry guys, I stand to be corrected. 100 deposit, and the room is how much, Habibi? $85. So total of $185, and then that 100 deposit, babalik po siya after how many days, Habibi? 3 days. 3 business days guys. So ayan, sana working tong ano natin. Can you try it, Habibi? Yeah. Okay na rin siya guys, budgeted hotel. Nice naman siya, clean guys. So tingnan natin kung hindi siya masakit sa likod. Oh, soft naman yung bed. So we're gonna see tomorrow kung magiging masarap ba ang aming tulog dito. Ayan, pinagmamalaki po ng asawa ko nung nakikita niya yung baby niya dito sa bintana. Asan? Oh, nice, baby. Ano pa yung aming sasakyan? Yan, kitang-kita ko siya guys. Ayan, say hello to your subscribers.
Hello.
Pagutom na yan guys, kaya wala na siya sa mood. Napansin nyo guys yung kanyang aura. Compare kayo na madaling araw. Kayo na umaga.
Tommy.
Ayan guys. So, ayan. So, see you again later guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Love you.